Today I'm gonna show you how you can make your own splitter and save a lot of money. So first of all, welcome back to my channel, and don't forget to subscribe if you like what you see, especially if you like cars. So like what I said in the beginning, I'm gonna show you today how you can make your own splitter step by step from the beginning. So let's go. So the first step is to make a template or pattern, or what you now call it, and you use your front lip, or you can use your front too, like this. And then you just use a pen and draw your line against here, and just keep it like this all the way, and then you put it back like this, so you get this to be more wide, and your front lip, because you want your splitter more wide, and you can actually make how long split you ever want. I used I think it's 8 centimeters here and 5 here, and you just cut it out with a sharp knife, because you need a straight nice line. After that you have a nice template. And the rest I'm gonna show you in a time lapse, because I did this on my work when I cut it out. And I used actually plexiglass instead of plastic, but I probably recommend to use plastic for this. So see you in the time lapse. this is how it looks when it's done. You can see it's not perfect, but remember, this gonna got a lot of scratches, and you can see here my vinyl wrap was too short. It was not wide enough for the whole splitter, but that is okay, I guess. You probably don't gonna see it when it's on the car, but it looks actually really good. This was actually the first time I ever vinyl wrap anything, so I am pretty happy how it turned out. And thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. See ya!